Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am 𝗬𝗢𝗟𝗧. So I just did a call trade. Yes, I did a call trade here because this is how the market is going to go. It will be going up for why? Because see, we had a ranging market. You see, we had a ranging market, and then this candlestick broke out. I told you about the ranging market. When it breaks out, you need a retest of this level. You see how this candle retested this level and then a continuation. Now this is the second retest, so it came back again to this level and I did a call trade because I know for sure it's going to close above this entry point. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so with this now we are going to wait because now I believe the candlestick will no longer go up. So after this breakout, I think this is just like a fake breakout and there was no pressure to take it back, to take it up further, so it will be coming back into the trading range, and I think we'll be aiming for this level here. See this place where buyers came in strongly. I think that is where the price will be coming, so wait for it. There are other levels here formed by body reversals like this one here, and then we have this one here. So the price will be coming to retest these levels, and when it comes there we do our trade, or when it touches we do our trade. But until then you have to play it safe. You have to understand what the market is doing first before you go after it. So let's wait and see. I'm not going to do any trade now because I still don't trust what I'm saying here. You know, when the EMA is like this is the pink line, these lines, when they are flat like this, it only tells you one thing. It tells you that the market is in a ranging mode. Yes, the market is strongly ranging, so you should understand that in a ranging market you trade your put options from resistance like this and your call options from support like this, so you don't just go blindly into trade. So that is that for ranging market. If this is your first time here, please, I would like you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in case you don't know, like I said, the mentorship program starts March 1st, which is the 1st of March. The course I have already been preparing the course. Yeah, so let's see what's going to happen now. I want to do it. Okay. Okay, like I said, I've been preparing the course and I promised this course is going to be packed full of knowledge, everything that I know concerning trading, concerning binary options. From all my years of experience, I will be unloading them inside that course, so that when I take some trade and you get confused, you're going to see the reason why you always end up being confused, or maybe you think it's magic. It looks very magical, mysterious to you. You're going to see the exact reason why in that course. So this is what we will be learning in that course. Now the course goes on like this. If you get the course, you are going to study the course for a period of time until you understand it. Then immediately you understand that course, we'll be going onward to do what? The mentorship. So it's not just you getting the course and studying on your own. No, when you understand that course, when you're ready, I'm going to give you a test. Now this test will confirm to me that you are ready. And after this test, we are going straight directly into the mentorship program, so that I can have time for each and everyone. And like I said, this is for only 10 people. I've gotten some people already who have paid before the 1st of March. They've already been signing up and it's good. So that's it. If you are interested, you contact me so that we start with your own set. So that's what I have. So now I'm going to remove these lines here. I'll draw the latest ones, which is this one. I'll also use this one. So now everything you see now at this point, I'm also going to tell you about volume. Yes, the course I'm going to tell you about volume, how I use volume, and what volume really means. It's not just about these bars here. It's not just about these bars. Market sentiment is there too, so that you know before something happens, you can easily get to know that okay, this thing is happening. Let me get myself prepared for it. So for now, because the reason why I'm not trading, there are good opportunities. You see, from here I can do a call trade from resistance with this green candle, but I did not trade it. Why? Because the volume was you see the volume was decreasing. If I should put a trend, a line here, from here you can see it's a downward slope, so this is not what I want. I want something that goes up, that goes upward like this. If it's an upward slope like this, it would have been better like this. Yes, this is what I need to see, but not to worry. I think after this candle we'll be getting new fresh signals, and we'll be drawing new fresh lines. For instance, we see this is another place where we can put our line, because I like using the newly formed resistance and support. So let's wait and see. Trading is easy, but you have to be patient. I don't want to rush today's trade like I do in most cases. It's easy, but you have to be patient a bit. So let's see what's going to happen now. Okay, still be waiting. Like I said, we have almost 600 subscribers now. So if this is your first time here, please do it to like this channel, subscribe, so that the video can be pushed out to other bigger audience than the ones we have already. So let's wait and see what's happening here. I think in a case like this, I don't know how this candle is going to close. There are cases where you can do a call trade and a put trade at once, but I don't know how this one is going to close exactly. If okay, this is not the case, I'll show you something like that in upcoming videos where you can do a call trade and then you still come ahead to do a put trade. But in this case, I think I'll be doing a call trade, not a put trade, because of this this resistance. You see this level here, this green, this blue line. You see how, yeah, this is the line, this blue line here. Yeah, you see how this candlestick broke it, and now I did the put, the call trade below the line for margin of safety, so that when this candlestick closes, let's say it closes as a red candle like this, is going to close above the entry point. But I'm sure it's going to close as a green candle. I think it will close as a green candle, but in case it did not close as a green candle, it's going to close above this line, like just like this, as a red candle. That's why I did the trade like that. So let's wait and see. Okay, so this will be the last part of this video. This will be the last part of this video. So I will come back to explain. Oh no, this were my previous trade. No, okay, this is the first one. So I'm going to explain why I took this trade. Like, if you've watched my last deep explanation video about breakout, you understand this trade perfectly well. I did a call trade here. Why? I told you, when you see a breakout and this breakout candle is bigger, the space between this closing price and the breakout point is so big, what you have to do is simple. You wait for the price to come back down to key level. Now, when this price come back down to key level, it got a rejection from it. With support of this one deviation upper Bollinger Band, you can do a call trade here. And then it came back to the main level and closed there. So I did a call trade there. Simple as that. The next trade, about 1-2 minutes later, I saw a continuation of this downtrend, because this is a reversal pattern here. This downtrend came, and then we see a confirmation candle in form of a gravestone doji. You see, this is a gravestone doji. This is showing selling pressure. Why is this week showing selling pressure? Because sellers are in control of the market. Assuming buyers were in control like this week here, this is showing buying pressure, not selling pressure, because buyers are in control of the market. This week here is showing what? Buying pressure. No, sorry, this week, yes, it's showing buying pressure because buyers are in control of the market. So this week here is showing selling pressure. because sellers are now in control of the market. So I did a put trade here, so that from this purple 200 EMA, I did a put trade there. And last but not the least, this is the trade. It's a very simple trade to do, a very simple one. Why? Because after this downtrend, this is a ranging market, we got this candle with a huge wick and then an engulfing candlestick. Like, when you get an engulfing candlestick, you should wait for such kind of candle. When you see this kind of candle, you can go with your call trade. I have said this thing in our previous videos, one of the highest probability trading setup. When you get this kind of candle after a reversal pattern, you can go with the next candle call trade. When you get this kind of candle after this reversal, you can go with the next candle put trade. When you get this kind of candle in a strong reversal mode at the beginning of the trend, you can go put trade as well. You understand? So with this now, when I didn't wait for this candle to form because of this key level. When this candle closes above this key level, slightly above it though, I still told you about the breakout in that same video when I talk about breakout. This is the second type of breakout, whereby the candlestick is breaking out of the key level in the direction of pressure, but the distance between the closing price and the key level is not that much. So all you have to do is to wait, candle come below that level, you can do your trade. But in a case like this one, where the distance between this breakout from this level is so much, you don't continue the trend. You wait for the market to come back down to key level before you do your trade. So that will be all for today. This is your first time, please do it to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So until next time, bye bye.